Hello everyone, this is Saud over here, and today I want to talk about how do you enjoy to learn faster and cooler. Now what do I mean over here is often people, whenever they want to learn any new skill, whether it's selling, whether it's Java, whether it's technical, or whether it's just reading and finishing a book, they focus on the end product, end goal. I need to be really good in sales. I need to make 50,000, 1 lakh in sales this month. If not, I'm a loser. That kind of thought process will really stop you from growing. Yes, that's what I want to tell you. Here's a very simple process which I recently discovered from my wife. Yes. So here's the thing. It's Ramadan right now, and every day my wife is onto YouTube to look into new snacks for our breaking fast moment. So what she does is every day for about 15 to 20 minutes she's on YouTube looking into various recipes. Recently she was looking into making potato cheese balls, and when she put potato cheese balls on YouTube, she saw a list of recipes. What she did was really good. She went through all the recipes, she fast forwarded them, she had a comment to say on each recipe video. Good, not good, boring, I can't do this thing, this looks interesting, you know how ladies talk, all that she was able to do. And then after that 15 minutes, she went to the kitchen and she went ahead, told the maid to cut the capsicum this way, the mozzarella cheese and all that. And she was actually having fun. She was joking with the maid, right? And she was just making it up when my son also walked in, and he asked, Mom, kya kar rahi hai? And she said, I'm making some cheese balls. And she's like, wow. And she took the potato and she put it in her son's mouth, and he's like, yum. He did like this, and she took a selfie. You know, all this she was doing, she was just enjoying the process of making it. And when the end product was made, it looked like a cheese ball, it smelled good. And as I was seeing this, I felt, yes, cheese balls are coming up, it's going to be really good for our iftar. But you know what happened? When I had the cheese ball, it really was not cheesy. You know how it comes out like that? It wasn't like that. And I gave her feedback. It's not that good as I expected, as how it's seen on the video. And she said, yeah, you know what, tomorrow I'll fry it at the time when you break the fast. Because she had fried this time at least 15 minutes prior to breaking the fast, the cheese had all become solidified, and that's the reason it wasn't that cheesy. Now I'm going over here a bit detail over here, but coming back to the learnings is she did not give up. She didn't say, oh my God, I did so many efforts and it didn't come out well, I'm not doing it again. No. The thing which I want you to take over here is she was more focused in enjoying the process. Even the outcome was not good, she took the feedback positively and she was willing to go ahead and do it again. So that's the key lesson which I also want you to go ahead and learn over here is many people focus on the end goal, the end outcome. If they don't get it, it's like gone. They say, I did so much efforts, it didn't happen. No. But rather than that, focus on the small things, make it more enjoyable. For example, if I'm reading a book, I use a perfume, I just spray it on myself, and I sit in a separate position on my sofa, and that's how I read books. So I make it more enjoyable because it's more comfortable for me sitting in that corner of the sofa with that perfume. I'm really enjoying it, and when I enjoy, the outcome really comes out better. Not the best, but better, and I'm willing more to go ahead deeper to make it much better. Yes. So this is my message for you over here, for all you guys who want to learn new skills faster in this time of Corona, because I know you want to make sure you want to start a second income. You want to learn new skill sets for your professional career. Whatever it is, here's the simple thing. Focus on the process. Make it more enjoyable in your own way, in your own natural way. Once you start doing that, trust me, the perfect goal will be coming up and you won't give up in this process of learning. The mastery of that goal, the outcome will come much at ease and at a faster pace. Hope this tip was really good. You enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a comment, say you enjoyed it. Alright, thank you very much.